I have a slightly different file than I used to. Right now, I have units sold across the top of the sheet. What I'd like to do, however, is put this unit sold right in the center so it looks a little tidier. However, if I click on the cell and click the center button, it's only going to align it to cell A1, not the whole row. What I can do in this case is merge these cells. I'm going to click and drag and highlight cell A through F. I want it to line up with the rest of the data. Now on the Home Ribbon tab, I can click Merge and Center. It's going to combine everything and look very tidy. Now, A through F is acting as one cell. In fact, I can even change the border and shading, and it will do it to the entire cell. If at any time I decide I don't want this anymore, I can either click the button again to toggle it or use the down arrow and choose Unmerge Cells. It's going to put everything right back the way it was so that they're all unique and individual cells. At any time, I can always do it again by clicking and dragging and clicking Merge and Center.